All right, guys, this is my review of the Sminiker, Siminiker professional rechargeable cordless professional pet hair clippers with combo guides for dogs, cats, horses, and other house animal pets. Wow, okay. So I have a dog, but let's just do the unboxing here and see what we have in here. We've got an instruction manual, which I usually need, but I can figure out a lot of this stuff without it. But I am kind of stupid, so. Okay, here's what it looks like. It feels. I go with the feel first, right? The feel of this. It's got a gold look, gold and black. It kind of actually looks cool. Looks cool. If this was made for guys, I would use it. But it feels sturdy. It's plastic and rubber-ish, but it feels sturdy. Goes right on. You can hear the sound. Sounds like a high quality, kind of like, one like a barbershop kind of trimmer. Let's see. Okay, that's interesting. So it has a switcher on it right away that takes you from 0.8, 1.4, let's see, 0.8, 1, 1.4, and then 2. So that's interesting. So you just have a switch thing that allows you to do that. Okay, another cool thing I'm seeing, it's USB chargeable. So you can plug this straight into your computer or a USB outlet. You could also, obviously, I think the USB chargers are the way to go, because if you want to plug it into an outlet, just get a USB adapter thing that's like, a couple bucks. Then you can plug it straight into an outlet, but you can also plug it into your computer and stuff. So I think that's super useful. You have a nail file for filing their nails down a little bit. You've got an actual clippers. So if you need to get a little perfection and you want to actually trim the hair, you've got that. What is this? Let's see. What is this? Does it say? Because I'm an idiot here. I wonder if it's another nail clipper thing. I'd ask you, but I can't hear you right now. It's funny, it doesn't tell me what it is. People that groom probably know what this is. And they're like, dude, why is this guy doing this review here? Dude, I'm just unboxing it. We do it live here. So I'm just doing the unboxing. I guess that's what I'm assuming it is. I'm assuming it's like a nail clipper thing. But idiots can correct me and tell me what it is. Ooh, you've got a nice brush. That's metal. That's high quality. And then you got your attachments. So we've got 6mm, 3mm, 9mm, 1.2. Oh, and would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? They thought of all of it, dude. Because it's a USB charger, but they gave you the outlet adapter. There you go. So if you need to plug it into the wall, you're good. You've also got that liquid to clean it with or sanitize it or whatever. So these go on super easy. Yeah, okay. Boom. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it clips right in. It clips right in, so you know you're on the right setting. That's good, I think. They snap off super easy. At the end of the day, if you're looking to groom, you got 4 guide combs. Let's see. You got 4 guide combs. You got the scissors. You got the thing I don't know about, but it looks like a nail clippers. Ultimately, this seems like, if you're gonna do this stuff at home, this seems like a pretty good tool. It seems high quality. It charges super easily, and it seems like you got the brush, the clippers, you got everything right in this box. So Based on my hands-on review, if you're looking to do this at home or maybe trim things up so you don't have to go get him groomed as much, seems cool to me.